Hey there, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today I'm not doing a repair video, but I'm going to talk about something and do a review on the Erickson wheel chock and tie down system that I use to tie down my side-by-side. Now this system, you can use them to tie down lawnmowers, riding lawnmowers, you can ATV, your side-by-side, anything that's up to 1,500 pounds, even a small race car. I've been using the Erickson wheel chock and tie down strap system for just over 7 months now. So I know what it's done for me and I can give you an honest review on this product. I used to tie down my side-by-side, my ATVs with ratchet straps, but you know, I'd anchor onto a part of the frame and then anchor the other end to the corners of my trailer. And you know, when you're driving on roads and the roads get rough, your machine is bouncing up and down and it causes your ratchet straps to come loose. Well, that's not good. I was constantly stopping, tightening up my ratchet straps, and I always felt uneasy about it. But with this system, the strap goes up around your wheel and anchors down to the trailer using the Erickson wheel chocks, but the machine can bounce up and down all at once. Doesn't matter, those straps will not come loose because it's just around your wheel. There's no force there causing play in those straps. I'm going to show you how these straps work. So the first thing you will do is line up your vehicle on your trailer, and you're going to figure out where you want to put your wheel chocks, which are your wheel chocks here. There's one on each side of the tire, so you'll have 8 wheel chocks in total. At least that's the best secure application anyway. So once you have your vehicle lined up on your trailer, you got your wheel chocks in position. What I did is I took a pencil and I marked the holes, the ones that I could reach anyway, here at the back and here at the front. I went around all 4 corners. Then I took the side-by-side off the trailer and I continued to mark holes for my wheel chocks, and I drilled the holes. Then I grabbed my hardware, my bolts, my washers, my nuts, and I secured the wheel chocks down to the trailer. On the underside of the trailer here, I used a fat washer. That way it doesn't allow, if you put a skinny washer and a bolt and nut to come through the hole, to come through the wood, the fat washer will hold securely in its spot. So once you have your wheel chocks all into place, you're going to load your vehicle back on. You're going to be able to park your vehicle with the tires inside the wheel chocks. You can see on both sides how they are. Right there, front tires are inside the wheel chocks. Then you're going to grab these heavy-duty 2-inch straps, and as you can see, the wheel chocks have like an E-track slot, E-track system. You have an E-track locking latch here on your straps, and you're going to place it inside that slot. It'll lock in securely. You're going to bring your strap around the middle of your tire. You're going to put this latch in its spot, and then you're going to tighten up your wheel strap. So I'll show you the latch system. It's just you pull up on this, put it into the slot. I'll show you really quick, like that. There, it's in place. You pull up on your strap, take your ratchet handle, tighten it up, and look at that, it's really good and snug now. And when you want to undo it, you just open it up, and you can just grab your 2 parts here like this, pull on it. Look how easy it is. You get that unstrapped really quick. When I meet up with my buddies at the trails, I'm pretty much the first one unloaded and the first one strapped down and ready to go back home. So like I said, I've been using the Erickson wheel chock and strap down system for a little over 7 months now. I'm very satisfied with it. I know when I get to where I'm going, everything's going to be safe and I can have a relaxing day of riding. I didn't have no complications getting there, and I have no complications getting home. With that, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below this video where you can get the Erickson wheel chock and strap down system, and I'll also pin a comment with the link in the comments below as well. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.